All right, so we have this formula for the sum, and last week we did the sigma, which is the most different. These are just based on formula. So numbers 1 through 4 on the first page, they give you everything you need. So they give you A1, AN, and N. So you just plug and chug on number 1 through 4. I'm not going to do one of those with you because you can do those. For the next 4, they give you A1, D, and N. So we need AN. On the next page, we have to use both formulas. So let's see number 5. Says that A1 is 9, D is 8, and N is 45. That means that they want the sum of the first 45 terms of that series. So you could put 9, 17, and keep adding 8 until 45 numbers are on the list and then add them all together in your calculator. But we're not going to do that. All we're missing is AN. So we need to find AN. Well, we use the first formula because we have everything we need to find AN. So AN equals A1, which is 9, plus 8 times 45 minus 1. And we put that in our calculator and we get 361. So now we have the N, the AN, and the A1 we need for the second formula. So we go ahead down here, we put SN equals 45 over 2. A1, which is 9, plus 361, and put that in your calculator. So I get 8325, and, you just put it in your calculator. So everybody understand that second page? What do we know from this series?
D equals 7.
D equals 7. Perfect. What else do we know?
A1 equals -2.
And what else do we know? One more thing.
N equals 13.
Very good. So I can find AN, which is all I'm missing again. AN equals -2 plus 7 times 13 minus 1. So AN is 82. And now we plug it into this formula. SN equals 13 divided by 2 times -2 plus 82. So SN equals 520.